forest, where the only sound is roaring engines and screaming chainsaws. We're not just cutting wood, we're fighting a battle with every massive tree. Blood, sweat, and sawdust. Welcome to the world of chainsaws. Welcome to the world of Wood Channel. The worker hangs from the top of a tall tree, secured with a safety rope. Using a chainsaw, he cuts off the tree's tip as it reaches into the sky. When the tip breaks off, it falls, shaking the foliage below.
Cool.
In the middle of the forest, a black tree trunk. A worker wearing a hard hat, holding a chainsaw, the sound of the saw echoing in the quiet space. The saw blade screeched violently, cutting through the spongy burnt wood on the outside, deep inside the hard core, creating a powerful and cinematic scene. In the dense and quiet forest, a worker wearing a hard hat faced a huge tree trunk, then started the chainsaw. The sound was loud. Each cut was decisive. The saw blade was deeply cut into the solid wood. Sawdust flew up. After a few tense minutes, the tree trunk began to shake, tilted, and fell into the deep forest with a loud bang. A lumberjack steps into the forest, armed with the powerful steel MS-362 chainsaw. With calm precision, he begins to cut into the tree's trunk. The roar of the engine echoes through the woods as sawdust flies. Each move is skillful, ensuring the tree falls safely in the planned direction. This is the strength and mastery of a seasoned professional at work. On a steep slope, a charred tree trunk stands alone on the dry ground. A female worker wearing protective gear and a helmet, holding a chainsaw firmly, she starts the machine. The sharp blade tears through the charred bark, cinders flying with each cut. A strong, determined image in the midst of harsh nature. Balanced on the trunk, the man grips his chainsaw and locks onto the target branch. One swift cut, and the limb spins through the air before slamming to the ground with a thud. A worker carefully uses a steel chainsaw to cut into a large tree trunk adjacent to the houses. Each cut is carefully calculated. Sawdust flies lightly. The tree slowly falls in the right direction to safety. Near the peaceful riverbank, a large uprooted tree lay across the river. The man started the chainsaw in his hand and began cutting through the tree. The rumbling sound of the saw mixed with the sound of flowing water, creating a powerful yet poetic scene.
Popping down here. Hear it?
Get going.
Uh-huh.
A towering tree stands still in the quiet forest. The worker steps in, calmly adjusting the chainsaw with the precision of a master. The engine roars, sharp and decisive. Each cut is calculated, firm, and fearless. Within seconds, the massive trunk begins to tremble, then crashes down, ending its decades-long reign in the woods. In the heart of the log yard, the powerful steel MS-881 Magnum comes to life. This is the break-in test, a crucial moment for any new chainsaw. The machine roars as it slices through thick logs with ease, showing off its raw strength and smooth performance. Operators carefully monitor every cut, every rev of the engine, ensuring everything runs perfectly. This isn't just testing. It's preparation for serious work in the forest.